Family, let's clear the smoke before it blinds the crowd. They gave us a star that Yah never commanded. A counterfeit star, but the scriptures point to the true morning star, Yahushua, the Messiah. Let's break it down. Amos 5:26 says Israel carried the star of Chiun, the star of their God. Acts 7:43 calls it the star of Remphan. That was idolatry, linked to Saturn, Moloch, and false worship. Fast forward. Under Persian rule, Jews absorbed the six-pointed star, a hexagram used in mysticism and magic. By the Middle Ages, it shows up on synagogues and seals. In 1897, the Zionist Congress stamped it as the emblem of modern Israel. But Yah never gave it. That star is not covenant, it's counterfeit. The true morning star, Revelation 22:16. Yahushua says, I am the root and offspring of David, the bright and morning star. Peter 1:119. Until the day dawns and the morning star rises in your hearts. Numbers 24:17. A star shall come out of Jacob, a scepter shall rise out of Israel. The counterfeit star points to man's identity. The morning star points to Yah's son. One is political, the other is prophetic. The veil of blindness, Paul said in 2 Corinthians 3:14. For to this day the same veil remains when the old covenant is read. It has not been lifted because only in Messiah is it taken away. That's why many can look at the hexagram and call it holy, when in truth it was never given by Yah. The veil blinds them to the counterfeit. But when the veil is lifted, you see it for what it is, a star of man, not the sign of God. True signs versus counterfeit signs. Yah gave his people true covenant signs. The Sabbath, the feasts, the menorah, his name. But man traded them for a star borrowed from Persia, stamped by Zionism, and paraded as identity. The veil makes the counterfeit look authentic. But when the Spirit removes the veil, the counterfeit is exposed. Family, the star of Remphan is not the star of David. It's a counterfeit star, and only when the veil is lifted in Messiah do we see the truth. Don't follow the counterfeit star. Follow the bright and morning star, Yahushua.